Good morning from the National Weather Service in San Angelo. Today is Wednesday, April 2nd, and this is an updated briefing for the potential for strong to severe thunderstorms today through Friday. So again, we're updating this briefing because we're expecting strong to severe thunderstorms late tonight into Thursday morning, and then again Thursday night into Friday morning, and again late Friday. So isolated thunderstorms will develop late tonight into the early morning hours Thursday, mainly across portions of the Concho Valley, Heartland, and much of the Big Country, with this activity moving northeast. Most of the activity should exit the area by daybreak Thursday. In terms of expected hazards for today, large to very large hail, potentially up to baseball size, damaging winds 60 to 70 miles an hour, and a tornado is possible. Locally heavy rainfall will be possible, although we're not anticipating too much in the way of flooding concerns for tonight. I think the storms will be moving fast enough and the activity will be isolated enough that we shouldn't see too much of a flooding issue for tonight. And then severe storms are again possible late Thursday night into Friday morning, and again Friday night into Saturday morning. Here's just a quick look at the different regions across the area that we like to refer to through this presentation. So for today, this is the latest outlook from the Storm Prediction Center. We're looking at a level 3 enhanced risk across portions of the Big Country, including Abilene. Farther south in the yellow, we're looking at a level 2 or slight risk for strong to severe thunderstorms. And much of the area is in a level 1 or marginal risk for strong to severe thunderstorms. Main hazards, again, like we talked about, large hail up to baseball sized, damaging winds, and a possible tornado. And again, in terms of timing, we're looking at tonight with the highest chances after midnight tonight. Taking a look at the hazards, again, the higher potential for hail, wind, and tornadoes is across the Big Country, as mentioned previously. If you look at the hatched area there across the northern portions of the area, those areas there are where the largest hail is expected tonight into Thursday morning. And again, still a risk for winds across those areas and even a possible tornado. So here are the outlooks for Thursday and Friday. As you can see, on Thursday, we have a slight risk across the northern half of the area with a marginal risk across much of the rest of the area. And then as we head into Friday, slight risk covering really a big chunk of west central Texas, with our western counties in a marginal risk for strong to severe thunderstorms. And again, just like today, both of these events look to be late in the day and into the early morning hours. So as we head into Friday, in addition to the severe threat, we also have a risk for locally heavy rainfall, which may result in some flooding. We do have a slight risk, about 15% across mainly Brown County, far eastern portions of the area, and then a marginal risk, about a 5% chance there across much of the rest of the area. So again, we do expect, in addition to the severe weather, the potential for some locally heavy rainfall and maybe even some flooding issues, mainly going to be late Friday into Friday night. That concludes this briefing. The next briefing is scheduled to be updated by tomorrow, by noon tomorrow. Thanks for tuning in this morning.